I have PANASONIC Eluga A4 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the browser on this device. So let's open the Chrome right here. Let me tap accept and continue and no thanks. And just open just simple page on the Chrome. Let's use more key. Here let's tap settings. From the settings let's choose privacy. And here let's choose clear browsing data. Right here the last option. Now you can use the basic cleaner or you can use advanced, and here you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, saved passwords, autofill, form data, site settings, media license, and also you can choose the time range. So you can clear those data from last hour, from last 7 days, or for example from all time. Let me use all time, tap clear data, and that's it. You just clear browsing data. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.